Are you in your 20s and looking to make the most of your money? In this video, I'm going to show you the top 7 money mistakes that people in their 20s tend to make, so you can avoid them and start making smarter financial decisions. It's important to understand that managing your finances is an ongoing process. It's not something you can just do once and forget about. So let's get started. Taking on too much debt. Whether it's student loans, credit cards, or car loans, taking on too much debt is a major mistake that many people in their 20s tend to make. It can be tempting to buy everything you want on credit, but it's important to remember that debt can be difficult to pay off, and it can have a negative impact on your financial future. Taking on too much debt can have a number of negative consequences for your finances. For one, it can make it difficult to pay your bills each month, as you may be struggling to keep up with multiple loan payments at once. Additionally, high levels of debt can make it difficult to save for your future, as much of your income may be going towards paying off loans. Furthermore, if you are unable to make your loan payments on time, you may be faced with late fees, penalties, and even damage to your credit score. This can make it difficult to secure loans or credit in the future, making it harder to purchase a home, car, or other large expenses. Additionally, high levels of debt can also cause stress and anxiety, negatively impacting your overall well-being. It's important to keep your debt levels under control and to budget accordingly to avoid taking on too much. Overdrinking and partying. Although having fun is important, it's also important to be mindful of how much you're spending on alcohol and entertainment. It's easy to go overboard and end up with a hefty bill at the end of the night. Be more sensible and cut down on alcohol. It is also good for your long-term health. Another way to limit your spending or running the risk of overspending is by setting a budget for entertainment expenses and make sure to stick to it. Instead of going out every night, consider alternative options such as hosting a game night at home with friends or finding free events in your community. You can also try to find ways to make your entertainment more affordable, such as happy hour specials or discounted movie tickets. It's important to remember that while you have to have fun, everyone has to. Just be mindful of your spending and make sure you're not sacrificing your long-term financial goals for short-term enjoyment. By being more mindful of your spending on alcohol and entertainment, you can save money and achieve your financial goals in the long run. Buying an expensive car. Another important aspect to consider when buying an expensive car is the long-term financial implications. A car is a depreciating asset, which means that it loses value over time. This means that if you were to buy a brand new car for $50,000, it could be worth much less in just a few years. This can be a major setback when it comes to your overall financial goals, as you may be stuck with a car that is worth much less than you paid for it. Additionally, buying an expensive car can also mean taking on a large car loan, which can put a significant strain on your finances and make it difficult to save money or make other investments. It's important to weigh the costs and benefits before making such a big purchase and consider if it is truly necessary or if there are more cost-effective options available. Not having a backup fund. Having an emergency fund is crucial for protecting yourself against unexpected expenses like car repairs or medical bills. It should be a minimum of 3 to 6 months of your living expenses in case of job loss or other emergencies. Without this cushion, it can be difficult to make ends meet and you'll be more likely to fall into debt. Having an emergency fund can also give you peace of mind, knowing that you have a safety net to fall back on if things don't go as planned. It's important to note that an emergency fund should only be used for true emergencies and not for non-essential expenses. It's also important to regularly review and replenish your emergency fund to make sure it's always ready for any unexpected events. Not investing. Investing in the future is essential, and the earlier you start, the better. Unfortunately, Many people in their 20s are failing to adequately invest for their future, meaning they might feel the consequences later on in life. This mistake can be even more detrimental for those who have student loans or other large debts to pay off. Investing early will help to create a healthy saving balance that will have time to grow over decades, ensuring financial security for years to come and providing peace of mind during retirement. Taking advantage of resources like 401ks and IRAs takes some effort but can lead to huge rewards down the line. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Start investing now to protect your future. Working for less than you're worth. A common money mistake that people make in their 20s is working for less than what they are worth. Doing so ignores the potential long-term financial growth that could come from a higher pay rate and a sense of professional value. Despite the prospect of starting off at a lower salary, there are ways to negotiate for a better pay rate. Researching market rates can help inform negotiations, and proactively setting achievable career goals can show an employer why someone is worth more than the industry average. It can feel intimidating to ask for more, but it's important to remember that one's worth is determined in part by how much they are willing to ask for and negotiate. This simple, well-placed effort can have great monetary rewards later on down the line. Moving out too soon. Moving out of your parents' home too soon in your 20s often can be a costly mistake. Even though for many, this may seem like the ultimate goal to gain independence, in reality, it may only curb your finances. It might be tempting to have a place of one's own as early as possible. However, taking into account the related construction and utilities costs, additional rent or mortgage payments, and higher bills in general, it might make more sense financial-wise to stay with your parents just a little bit longer. While some are lucky enough to find affordable housing with lower living costs, many young adults put themselves at risk by making decisions with their emotions without considering all the potential long-term costs related to living alone. Therefore, it is important to carefully weigh out all the benefits and drawbacks before taking such an important step. Do not worry if you fall into one of these traps. Just make sure you are now aware and are making conscious decisions to better yourself. People make mistakes, but successful people learn from it and grow into a better person. It might take time to correct these mistakes, but it will be worth in the long term. If you found this video useful, please share it with your friends. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more stuff like this, and leave a comment as to what video you would like me to do next. Bye bye.